The M Experience, a fusion of luxury and exhilaration. The BMW M Series is not just a car, it's a statement, a testament to the perfect blend of high performance and opulent comfort. Owning a BMW M car is more than just owning a vehicle, it's an experience. It's about the pride you feel every time you step into the driver's seat, knowing you're about to embark on a journey like no other. It's the feeling of the wind in your hair as you carve through corners with precision. The M Series is engineered to provide an unparalleled driving experience, where every twist and turn of the road becomes an opportunity to feel the car's exceptional handling. It's the adrenaline rush of unleashing the full potential of a finely tuned engine. The roar of the engine, the surge of power, and the thrill of acceleration combine to create a symphony of speed and excitement, but it's also the comfort of knowing that you are surrounded by luxury. The interior of the M Series is a sanctuary of sophistication, with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship that make every drive a pleasure. M cars are equipped with the latest technology, from advanced infotainment systems to driver assistance features, ensuring that every journey is as comfortable as it is exhilarating. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the M Series offers a seamless blend of innovation and convenience. It's this unique blend of luxury and performance that sets the M Series apart. Each drive is a testament to BMW's commitment to excellence, where luxury meets exhilaration in perfect harmony. The M Series is more than just a car, it's a lifestyle, an experience that redefines what it means to drive.